So, I'm gonna try this YouTube channel thing out. So, I guess this is my first like vlog or whatever it's called. But we got a car show this weekend called Slam Fest. It's in Gainesville, Florida. We're putting a new RB25 into this Nissan Stagea. So, I got a few videos of, I guess, the shit we've done today, which I will put up in a second. Well, I guess add on to the end of this. I'm not sure how that works. So, it's supposed to be one of 3 Stageas in the United States. Let's see what else do we got over here. CRX, SI, smart car, some Isuzu thing, and VH45 S13. Oh, and a Cummins swapped Ford. So some of these things will be at Slam Fest at the booth we have. Some Brembos from an R34, some R34 wheels. So here's a quick walk around of the car. Oh, got a little spider here. We got the engine in, but I will show a quick video of us dropping the engine in after this clip. I'll have more videos soon, probably tomorrow, maybe every day, depending on how lazy I am. But we will definitely have more footage of this coming up soon. Thank you for watching.